All right, let's dive right into the Summer 26 preview org. And I'm going to head to Flow Builder, of course. One of my good friends, fellow MVP, Yumi, pointed out now we have scheduled triggered flow batch sizes. I just started a scheduled triggered flow here. And I see in the start element, now a setting right under the object and condition requirements, I see a maximum batch size. And you can enter a number here to change the default batch size of 200. Now, what does this help with is we used to hit Apex governors limits. When we process 200 records in one single transaction, sometimes we hit some of the limits that actually prevent us from using the data center resources too much beyond our license share. And now with this setting, we can actually ensure that we can process less records within a single transaction, which means we can avoid some of the Apex governors limits and related errors. And the other thing that it can help with, depending on your use case, is the record locking issues. Sometimes you get those record locking issues when you're trying to process 200 records at the same time. And now maybe by decreasing the batch size, you could avoid some of those record locking issues.